Today we're gonna change the bus generator, which is not charging. It's a Panther Lima. It's a good car. On the moment, but I need some work. I check a lot of videos on YouTube about these cars. You cannot find nothing, especially how to maintenance, what kind of devices they installed on this car, because it's handmade. So today I changed the alternator and I upload photos what models exactly is, for future people who want to do these things to know, because in the group in Facebook, people who comment, they have no idea what they do. So that's for now. The alternator is out now, the generator, sorry. So to take it out, you have to squeeze from there, put on the top of the steering rack, pull it to here, then take it out from here. Other way to take it from the bottom is mission impossible, because no space at all. Now I show you the alternator. Look how it look. All oiled, dirty. That's why it's not work correctly. It's charging only when it's starting, but if you put the throttle a bit, revving, then stopping. So that's the alternator. Is AC Delco with two terminals here and two here. Probably anyone you can replace, any generator you can use here, but I prefer to use the original, which is being used on this car. So I'll try to find supplement, or I buy new one. That's the number, 45 amperes, which the battery have to be also this amperes to have correctly charging. Also I will change the belt, because how you see it's cracked, it's rubbish. Then next step is inside the interior to make it nice. Also to close this hose where you can see the dashboard clusters. You have a job on the car, but slowly. So that's the main things, because you cannot find any information how to replace it. I make this video for you, all Pantheras enthusiast people. Thank you. Panther Calista. I fix it for one customer now. Have a look. Very funny car to drive. It's small, but same as Morgan. Even I can see it better.